Do you want to train your brain to make more money now? Imagine the human mind as a powerful, intricate machine. Like the most advanced supercomputers, it processes millions of bits of information every second, guiding our decisions and shaping our realities. But here's an exciting truth. This machine isn't a fixed entity. It's malleable, adaptable, capable of learning and evolving. And just like our bodies, our minds can be trained. Consider the brain as a muscle. If you've ever been to a gym or seen an athlete in action, you'll understand how training can transform muscles, making them stronger, more efficient, and better equipped to perform specific tasks. The same principle applies to our minds. With the right strategies and conditioning, our brains can be primed to make better financial decisions. So how does this work? Well, think about the countless financial decisions you make every day. From choosing whether to buy that morning coffee to deciding how to invest your savings, each choice is guided by a complex web of neural pathways in your brain. These pathways are shaped by your experiences, your knowledge, and your beliefs about money. When we talk about training our brains to make more money, we're not just talking about learning new facts about finance. We're talking about reshaping those neural pathways, breaking down old, unhelpful patterns of thinking, and building up new, more beneficial ones. We're talking about conditioning our brains to see opportunities where we once saw obstacles, to take calculated risks where we once hesitated, and to make decisions that align with our financial goals. This isn't some out-of-reach mystical concept. It's a practical, achievable goal, and it's one that could make the difference between financial struggle and financial success. Because the mind, when properly trained, can be a powerhouse of creativity, innovation, and strategic thinking. The mind, when properly trained, can become your most valuable asset on your journey to financial success. First, you must understand and define your financial goals. Now, why is this so crucial? Well, let's think about it. If you were setting off on a journey, you wouldn't just start driving aimlessly, would you? No, you'd have a destination in mind, a place you want to reach. The same principle applies to your financial journey. Having clear, specific, and realistic financial goals is like setting your GPS for success. Imagine trying to build a house without a blueprint. It'd be nearly impossible, right? The same goes for your financial future. Without a clear plan, you're likely to end up with a haphazard, unstable structure that could collapse at any moment. Setting financial goals is like drafting that blueprint, giving you a clear vision of the house you want to build and the steps necessary to construct it. So how do you set these goals? Start by asking yourself what you truly want. Do you want to retire early, buy a house, travel the world, pay off student loans? Whatever it is, name it. Be specific. Instead of saying, I want to save money, say, I want to save $50,000 for a down payment on a house in 5 years. See the difference? The latter is not only specific, but also measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, making it a SMART goal. Now it's essential to remember that Rome wasn't built in a day. It's okay if your financial goals seem overwhelming at first. The key is to break them down into manageable chunks. If you want to save $50,000 in 5 years, that breaks down to $10,000 per year, or roughly $833 per month. Suddenly, that big, intimidating goal seems a little more achievable, doesn't it? But remember, it's not enough to just set these goals. You need to commit to them, to make them a priority. Review them regularly, adjust as necessary, and keep pushing forward even when things get tough. Because at the end of the day, knowing what you want is the first step towards achieving it. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Now, let's delve into the power of positive thinking. Just as a gardener carefully tends to their plants, nurturing their growth with sunlight and water, we must tend to our mindset. The mind, like a garden, can bloom beautifully when we sow seeds of positivity. A positive mindset is a powerful tool that can significantly influence financial success. It's not about wishful thinking, but about fostering a perspective that can see opportunities even amidst financial challenges. It's about maintaining a hopeful attitude, understanding that downturns are temporary, and that with the right strategies, we can navigate our way to financial prosperity. Think of the mind as a fertile field. The seeds we plant in this field are our thoughts. If we plant seeds of doubt, fear, and scarcity, we cultivate a reality that mirrors these negative sentiments. On the contrary, when we plant seeds of positivity, confidence, and abundance, we cultivate a reality that reflects these empowering beliefs. The power of positive thinking lies in its ability to alter our perception of reality. When we believe in our capabilities, we unlock a world of possibilities. We start to see challenges as stepping stones rather than setbacks. We view risks as opportunities for growth rather than threats. Visualizing success is another crucial aspect of positive thinking. It's about creating a mental image of our desired financial outcomes. It helps us align our actions with our financial goals. When we vividly imagine achieving our financial goals, we stimulate the same neural pathways in our brain as if we were experiencing it in real life. This mental rehearsal primes our brain to act in ways that align with our visualized success. But remember, maintaining a positive mindset isn't about ignoring financial challenges. It's about acknowledging them and then choosing to focus on solutions and opportunities instead of dwelling on problems. It's about seeing the glass as half full rather than half empty. So let's start planting seeds of positivity in our minds. Let's visualize our financial success and believe in our capabilities. Let's remember that our mindset is the foundation of our financial journey, and it's within our control to build a strong, positive one. Your mind believes what you tell it, so tell it positive things. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to finances. Now, let's dive into the importance of financial education. Why does it matter? Well, it's simple. The more you know about money, the better you can manage it. And the better you manage your money, the more of it you can keep and grow. Think of it this way. Your financial knowledge is like a toolbox. The more tools you have, the more tasks you can handle. If all you have is a hammer, you're pretty limited. But if you have a whole range of tools, you can tackle a wide array of challenges. So, what are some of these financial tools you need in your toolbox? First up, we have investments. Understanding how investments work is crucial to growing your wealth. It's not just about throwing your money at the stock market and hoping for the best. It's about researching, analyzing, and making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Next, we have savings. Now, this might seem simple. You just put money aside, right? Well, yes, but there's more to it. You need to understand how to save effectively, how to set savings goals, and how to choose the right savings accounts. Then there are taxes. Nobody likes them, but we all have to deal with them. Understanding how taxes work can help you plan your finances better and potentially save you a lot of money. And let's not forget about other financial topics like insurance, retirement planning, and debt management. These are all vital parts of your financial toolbox. The best part about financial education? It's a lifelong journey. There's always something new to learn, a new strategy to try, a new tool to add to your toolbox. So keep learning. Read books, listen to podcasts, take online courses. Seek out knowledge wherever you can find it. Because when it comes to finances, knowledge isn't just power, it's profitability. The more you learn, the more you earn. Next, we need to develop a money mindset. Just like your mindset shapes your actions and behaviors in life, it also influences how you interact with money. A money mindset, simply put, is your unique set of beliefs and attitudes about money. It is the lens through which you view your financial world, and it's a powerful factor in determining your financial decisions. Think about it. If you view money as a scarce, stressful entity, you're likely to make financial decisions based on fear and scarcity. You might hoard money, resist investing, or feel guilty about spending. On the other hand, if you view money as an abundant, empowering tool, you're more likely to make decisions that can grow your wealth. You might invest wisely, spend strategically, and save with a purpose. Developing a money mindset is not about wishing for wealth or fantasizing about striking it rich. It's about cultivating a healthy, balanced perspective of money. It's about understanding that money is not the end goal. It is merely a tool that can help you achieve your goals and live a fulfilling life. A key part of developing a money mindset involves shifting away from the notion of money as a source of stress. Instead, try to see money as a positive and empowering entity. When you think about money, don't just think about bills, debts, and expenses. Think about opportunities, growth, and freedom. Remember, your money mindset isn't something that's fixed. It's flexible and can be shaped over time. If you currently have a negative or stressful relationship with money, take heart. With awareness, education, and intention, you can shift your money mindset towards one that is empowering and growth-oriented. In essence, developing a money mindset is about transforming your relationship with money. It's about shifting from a mindset of scarcity and stress to one of abundance and empowerment. It's about seeing money not as a source of worry, but as a tool for creating the life you want. Your relationship with money will determine your financial future. Consistency and discipline are key to financial success. It's not the grand one-time decisions that craft our financial future, but rather the small daily choices that we make. It's about being consistent. It's about being disciplined. Let's talk about savings. It's not about saving a large sum of money all at once, but rather about setting aside a small piece of your income regularly. Think of it as a slow and steady drip, filling up your financial bucket over time. Even if it's just a small amount, the habit of saving consistently leads to a substantial accumulation over time. Now, on to investing. Investing isn't about striking gold with a single high-risk venture. It's about consistently investing in a diversified portfolio, spreading your risk and potential for reward across a variety of avenues. It's about discipline, about not giving in to the temptation of a potential quick win, but focusing on the long-term growth potential. And of course, let's not forget about debts. Avoiding unnecessary debts is a critical aspect of financial discipline. It's about understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt, and making informed decisions about when to take on debt and when to steer clear. It's about consistently making your debt payments on time, avoiding late fees, and keeping your credit score high. But remember, consistency and discipline are not just about money. They're about your mindset, your habits, and your decisions. It's about making a commitment to your financial health and sticking to it no matter what. It's about setting financial goals and consistently working towards them, day in and day out. In the end, it's not about how much money you make, but how consistently you save, how wisely you invest, and how disciplined you are in avoiding unnecessary debts. So remember, your financial success is determined by your daily financial habits. The power to shape your financial future lies in your hands, and it all starts with consistency and discipline. Finally, it's time to take action. We've journeyed together through the power of the mind, understanding financial goals, the impact of positive thinking, the importance of financial education, developing a money mindset, and the role of consistency and discipline. Now it's your turn to put these tools to work. Imagine setting the stage for a play. You've got the script, you know your lines, and you've rehearsed over and over again. Now, the curtain rises. It's showtime. This is the moment where you step into the spotlight and perform. The same principle applies to your financial journey. You've equipped yourself with the knowledge and strategies, and now it's time for you to take the reins and steer your financial ship towards the horizon of success. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your wealth. It's a process, a journey that requires consistent effort and a positive mindset. It's about making small, deliberate choices every day that move you closer to your financial goals. It's about not just thinking positively, but acting positively. This means making wise financial decisions, even when they're tough. Let's say you've set a goal to save a certain amount every month. Now, you've got to follow through. It might mean skipping that expensive coffee or saying no to a night out. But these small sacrifices will pay off in the long run. It's about shifting your mindset from instant gratification to long-term satisfaction. But remember, this journey isn't just about reaching the destination. It's about the growth you experience along the way. It's about becoming financially literate, developing a money mindset, and learning to navigate the ups and downs of the financial world. It's about becoming the master of your wealth, rather than letting your wealth master you. So take a deep breath, step forward, and start applying the strategies we've discussed. Your financial journey begins now. Remember, the road to success is always under construction, and you're the architect of your financial future. Your future is in your hands. Start shaping it today. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed today. We began by exploring the extraordinary power of the mind and how understanding your financial goals can set you on the path to success. It's essential to define what you're striving for, and then harness the power of positive thinking to make it happen. Next, we delved into the importance of financial education. It's not just about making money, but also about understanding how to grow and manage it. This understanding, in turn, helps in developing a money mindset, a critical aspect of financial success. We also touched upon the need for consistency and discipline. Like a well-oiled machine, your financial journey demands regular maintenance and fine-tuning. And most importantly, taking action. It's one thing to have knowledge and a positive mindset, but without action, they remain just that, potential. Remember, your mind is your greatest asset. Train it well, and it will lead you to financial success.